cars. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside my straight pipe BMW M4. It's very early here in LA and we got a few cars and coffee events to attend this morning. So we got some tunnels, we got some canyons to rip through, and we got the city of Malibu to terrorize in today's video. So without further ado, let's start it up, get on the road. Join us in the Palisades and we're gonna go on a quick cruise with a group of cars to this local car meet out here in Malibu, kind of Palisades area. It's a pretty wide assortment of cars. We got a new 5 Series, a Porsche, a Ferrari. We're just gonna go for a cruise. We're gonna tear up the streets a bit. Let's see where the day leads us. Look how beautiful it is out here. Woo! Got a tunnel. Oh, sheesh. You know, I gotta say, every time you hit a tunnel in this car with this exhaust, it just gives you the chills. Let's go 1 10, how loud? This right here is Pacific Coast Highway, also known as PCH. Looks like we got separated from the pack. For early morning, it's a beautiful view, but we need some coffee. It's just too early for us. Oh, look at this 675 LT, one of my favorite cars. Beautiful, nice new GT3. Nice Ferrari. So here we are, arrived at the meet. We're gonna park up. See what's here. We just left that last Cars and Coffee. Now we're pulling into the Malibu Country Mart Cars and Coffee. So we're gonna see what other cars are here as well. So now we're in the Malibu Canyons. We're gonna see what the M4 is about. on roads like this. Oh. The way this car handles is superb. Looks like we got some M's up here. It's amazing how fast this car becomes quiet. So here we are at the top of Malibu. It's the M4. It's quite the view. You can see even in the distance the clouds are kind of covering the mountains a bit. Then over here you got blue skies, and the ocean is essentially all the way out there. So here goes the M4 cooling down. You guys can see it a little bit from the outside. Got carbon fiber front, side skirts. Got the BD F-12 wheels. Carbon fiber CS inspired spoiler. The beautiful LED diffuser, the AWE track exhaust. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.